Winter weather advisory in effect from noon Monday to noon Estate Tuesday. What? Snow expected total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Where? Portions of central Ohio. When? From noon Monday to noon Estate Tuesday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning commute. Additional details. Rain will mix with then change to snow Monday afternoon. Snow accumulations on Monday will be mainly confined to grassy and elevated surfaces as pavement and air temperatures will start out above freezing as temperatures drop below freezing Monday night. Slick spots will develop on untreated surfaces. Snow is expected to taper off by Tuesday afternoon. Precautionary preparedness actions. Slow down and use caution while traveling. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov.il as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. And an